Guru Rinpoche's vajra words shows the display of the Guru's three Ks is infinite within this very field of Buddha Shakyamuni, in our 3,000-fold cosmic system named Indrance, in its hundreds of millions of pure fields, and within each of the 6 realms or states of being within the 36 universes situated above, below, and in the 4 cardinal directions. Guru Rinpoche appears in a varied display of different forms and with different names. In our own world of Jambudvipa, he has 8 manifestations, 20 other different emanations, and so forth, together with an inconceivable array of secondary emanations, and thus he propagates the teachings of the Buddha. At the present time he appears in 3 forms in the upper, middle, and lower stories of the palace of Lotus Light on the copper-colored mountain in the heart of the land of Chamara.